Why not?
You might get like mini oranges in the 5 kg bag, so you might get like 50 kgs oranges in the bag. We'll give you one tomorrow.
Yeah.
That's achievable. We're just going to try and small them for you. Like, ideally, we'll get the fridge on Monday.
Yeah.
It'll last all week. So we're talking like 5 boxes. Just apples, they run a piece each day. That's 5. That's just the food. Oh, maybe we got Christmas.